Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right away by positioning your locomotive just outside the town limits. You want line of sight on patrol routes so you can time the approach. Once done, deploy 2 escorts to scout forward while you move slower and conserve fuel, because conserving action points gives you more options. Make sure to switch to stealth modules and ready demolition charges in the secondary slot. This early push sets the tempo. Why? Because a strong opening reduces NPC reinforcements and secures escape corridors. You'll breach systematically. Hit comms, then sentry towers to delay alarms, and use your stun and EMP abilities in quick succession to disrupt responses. Once comms are down, split your squad into 2 teams and clear buildings room by room, because controlled movement prevents getting flanked. Make sure to rotate damaged units to cover. Healing between rooms keeps pressure. Also, conserve roughly 30% of your ammo for the extraction phase, since running out mid-raid is what causes losses. You finish by prioritizing mission-critical crates, loading them first so you can leave extra junk behind if needed. Once done, move toward your primary exfil route and keep 1 fallback route ready in case reinforcements block the road. If an alarm triggers late, deploy smoke and use half-speed bursts to break line of sight while your escorts draw aggro. This buys the seconds you need. If something still goes wrong, fall back to the secondary route and abandon non-essential cargo to preserve crew.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.